Alright, so welcome back to another video. It's been so long. A lot's happened since the last video. I've got a dog, so this is Roy. For everyone who doesn't know Roy, that's Roy. Last night I played at the house party for the first time in about 3.5 years. It was fucking crazy, so I'll show you some footage right now. Last night we got drunk, and then tonight we're going to travel 5 hours north to Cootamundra in New South Wales to play at the Globe Hotel. So it was good to be back vlogging and back playing gigs. I'm booked out till like the end of March, which is going to be a lot of fun. So everything's happening, and yeah, I can't wait. So we're going to get everything ready. Got to go pick up my car from where the party was, and then we're going to head north. So let's go. As you can see, the house is an absolute mess. All the equipment's still all over the floor. Come home last night and just kind of threw it there. Roy's got his little pen because he likes to chew on shoes. You're funny. As you can probably tell, he's full of energy all the time. Being a puppy and whatnot. Loves to cuddle, loves to bite, loves to eat. He loves to dance to Mo Bamba. That's Roy's best friend out there. It's a little Tigger pillow pet. Watch this. When you go up the stairs, he gets to the top and he can't come back down because he's too scared. Hey, come on. Come down. Come on. Come here, Ro. Come on. Good boy, you've learnt. So he loves, hey, that's not your shoe. Right, we'll take him out the front real quick. Come on. Run around, burn some energy. Right, come here. He runs really funny. Come here, buddy. I got home. So we've got the car and we're ready to go. It's a massive road trip. It's like 5 hours and 10 minutes. Look how weird I look with flat hair, hey. But we're a hood, I look like a Jedi, so. But it's time to go. It's gonna be a really good night. I've never been there before. It's a fucking long way. If you look really closely out the door, if I can get there, you can see Roy, hold on. So last night at the house party, it was really good. I played for like 5 hours, so I got to try a lot of new music and found a lot of new stuff that I really like. And we're gonna play in my main set, my headline sets. So it's gonna be, it was really good, a lot of fun. He's crying out the door if you can hear that, but I'm just gonna brush my teeth and we're gonna get on the road, so let's go. Fuck. Hey, buddy. Roy, we gotta go soon.
Hey, hey.
You and Tigger have to have a sleepover again. Huh? Woo. What a beautiful day. Let's double check. We've got everything. Headphones. Yes. USBs, all good. It's fucking wet and dirty. So we're about to head to Cootamundra now. It's raining and cold in Melbourne, which is a relief after the week we had. It's been very hot and humid, but yeah, we've got a 5 hour trip ahead of us. And then tonight at the Globe Hotel from 11:30. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be a long day, but I'm looking forward to it. So let's go. So we just pulled over for a quick toilet break, and it's hot as fuck up here. I don't know, we drive an hour north of Melbourne and Melbourne's raining, cold, and you come up here and I'm fucking boiling. But we just need to call Gucci Mills real quick.
Yo.
What's going on?
Not much, man. Just organising my European tour.
European tour?
Yeah, it kicks off tomorrow.
What the fuck? Why didn't you tell me?
It's just last minute thing, man, you know. Like,
where are you playing? Where are you playing?
Just everywhere, man. Everywhere. Like, every club in Europe.
What the fuck? How'd you organise that?
I know people, man.
Shit, well, fuck. When do you fly out? Tomorrow?
In about 20 minutes.
Fuck, I better let you go then. I just fucking thought I'd give you a call to see what you were doing, see if you're getting on the punt, because my first leg of me multi got up.
Nah, man, I was just at Flemington about 20 minutes ago, but, you know, gotta do these whole things.
Oh, I guess I'll let you go then, man. Fucking make sure to send me plenty of Snapchats and shit of you overseas.
Yeah, I'm playing Ministry of Down tonight on the way through, so...
In Sydney? Are you going to Sydney?
Yeah, just on the way through.
Fucking hell, what airline are you going with?
Tiger.
So we're about 10 minutes away, so we pulled over to take some photos. It's such a nice area out here, so quiet. Just peaceful, really. Alright, welcome to Cootamundra. Here we are, it's 5 hours later. Not sure where we're going, but we're heading to the hotel now. So it's not a small town, population of about 6,000 I think it was. So it's very like industrial, very agricultural town. So it doesn't have a huge population, but today there's an event on that's going to bring about 5,000 people to the town. So I'm playing at the after party, which is going to be a lot of fun, but it's not a heap going on the outskirts of town. But we'll show the centre of town a little bit later. I shit you not, the first thing we see when we roll up to the hotel is a bloke and his missus sitting out on the fucking sidewalk drinking a Bundy rum. 100%. So this is the hotel. Very nice indeed. We're at room 10. Pull it up. Alright. Room reveal. Oh my goodness. It's a shoebox. Oh man.
What's the shower look like? Ooh.
No, that's alright. The shower's the biggest part of the hotel. This is mint. This is mint. I should probably try and put some hair wax in. We're gonna get ready. This is actually a mad little, imagine living in something like this. This is double bed, mate. You wouldn't even fit a king in here. You wanna get ready or you wanna play Sims?
Play Sims.
Much better. Don't look like a toe anymore. Do you really need all that? Like,
Yes.
do you use every single one of them?
Yes.
This is all I use. Alright, so it's 8:22 on Saturday night, the 15th of February 2020, and we're in Cootamundra, New South Wales. After driving 5 hours north of Melbourne, we are finally here in our little shoebox hotel. We're playing at the Globe Hotel tonight from 11:30 till 1:30 or something, I can't remember. But yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Bit extra linen. But yeah, 11:30 onwards. It's the Cooter volleyball after party. Apparently it brings 5,000 people to the town, so it should be big, is what they say, so I can't wait. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, so we're gonna head into the main street of Cootamundra and we're gonna try and find some dinner. It's almost 9 o'clock and we haven't had any dinner yet. We had some Subway on the way up. So we're gonna go explore the main street, so let's go. So this says Bradman's Birthplace Museum. So could the Donald Bradman have been born in this town of Cootamundra? We will Google that and chuck it on screen right now. Yeah, here's a good look of Cootamundra CBD. I guess we're gonna try and find some dinner. So there's the Globe. That's where we're playing tonight. In there, that looks really cool. Actually, the DJ sets out the back. That looks fucking mad. I can see the local Woolies. It's actually not a bad town. We're staying in the outskirts, so there's not too much going on here. But when you get into the actual city, it's not too bad. There's pizza, noodles. Everyone here is like reverse parked, like everyone. Is that like a rule or something? Oh no, there's one fella who's not, so maybe it's just easier. I'm not too sure. I swear there's like nothing open, so we're just gonna go into Woolies and grab some food to eat. Check this out. I turned my head and I'm like, what the fuck? I shit myself. Why? What? So what we're gonna do, we really wanted Thai food. We're just gonna go into Safeway and buy some microwavable Thai food, and that's gonna be dinner. This is a massive Woolworths, just quietly. This is cool. So our favourite food is pad thai. So $4. We'll get some of that. What else have they got here? Maybe satay chicken. Maybe give that a go. What do you reckon? Then we can share. So we'll go satay as well. So that's going to be an $8 dinner for me and Bree. And yeah, that's fucking mint. Hopefully it tastes good. So there's the globe there. So I think we're DJing out there in that courtyard. So that looks really fun. Dinner time, boys. We want a Thai, so we got satay. Yeah, that's what I got too. $8 and chicken loaf. That's the best dinner ever. Honestly, it tastes nothing like pad thai, but it's actually really nice. So if you want to get one, $4 at Woolies. There you go, bro. Alright, so we're in Cootamundra, and the taxis end up at 1:30. So I said, how do we get home later? He goes, you got to walk. So it'll be an interesting one. We're about to head in, and yeah, we'll see what happens tonight. We're driving, literally just got people in the door. Yeah, it's just starting to build up. Oh, like 10 o'clock. Awesome, we'll just set up outside the courtyard. It's been fucking crazy. Alright, so we're at the globe. My camera doesn't want to focus because the lighting sucks, but yeah, enjoying a vodka coke. Smoke it up, smoke it up, smoke it up. Yeah, time to go home. So from the time I finished to the time we got home, I didn't really film. We kind of were just catching up with like the venue owner and whatever, and just hanging out and having a drink. But tonight was it was fun. It wasn't like flat out, but it was, everyone was out a good time. I had a good time. I've got the best story for you. There's this bloke there, yeah, he goes there and he dances all night for fitness, like literally just for fitness. Then he'll go ask for like a heap of salt, because he's sweating. He like eats a heap of salt so he gets it back into his body. He goes back out to the dance floor, dances like all night. He brings like 3 different shirts. That's his way of getting fit. It was just so unique. And at the end of the night, he'd be like, "Great work, Nath. Thanks for coming all this way." But like, it was just, it made my night. Like, it was something special, something so different and so unique. Like, to see someone having such a good time for such a unique reason, you know. Like, most people go to the gym, this bloke goes to nightclubs to dance and get fit. So alright, good morning. It's nearly 10 o'clock, so it's time to check out and then make another 5-hour journey. I can't wait for that. Beautiful day. Oh, the kit, Star Wars shorts. Comfort is key today, whenever, every day. We've got an hour and 34 minutes to go. Almost there. Home sweet home. Hey buddy. Look at that. Oh shit. Hi. Hey.
Hi.
Hey. You need to have a bath. Whoa. Hello. Hello. Bit of pedigree for the old boy. So how is it, buddy? Let us know. Is it good? Do you love it? The one thing about this dog is he's an absolute guts. He'll eat so much food. So I'm wrapping up the video right now, but the dog just took my glasses. But yeah, so we're back in Melbourne. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. It's been an absolute pleasure to be able to make another one again. Make sure you subscribe. We're gonna be making a video next week, going to Adelaide with the boys, which is gonna be a lot of fun, and Port Pirie as well, so it's gonna be a massive weekend. We're leaving on Thursday, getting back on Sunday night. Plenty of content. Roy, say bye. Hey. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.